Hello traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the indicator that what I have done today. So right now you can see on the screen that this is my real trading account and I'm trading the gold. Okay, so if you look at here that I have get a very good results till now. So I'm just going to share everything with you, that which time frame I have used with the indicator and how I have performed with the trades. So if you look at the data for today, then you can see that I have taken almost all of the trades on gold. Okay, so I have not used any other pair for today. So guys, basically I'm very busy these days and I'm working on another project. That's why I'm not able to publish videos on a daily basis. So after some time, definitely I will be going to throw more knowledge with you guys. Okay, so right now I'm going to take you towards the 4-hour chart on gold. So if you go to the 4-hour chart, then you can see that overall the dots are very straight, even the orange dots and the green one. So this indicates that gold is completely into the ranging side. It's basically going nowhere. It's playing in itself in a range. So what I have done, I've basically switched my chart to 15-minute and I have tried some scalping today. And you can see overall on the live account I have taken the profit of 39.40. Okay, so these were the random trades that I have taken, and the trades with 0.01 are the trades with the expert advisor that I am trying to build on arrow on the same indicator. So basically we are still having some bugs, so we are working on it. So let's see when it will be launched. Okay, so overall you can see that on a buy indication here I have taken a buy position and caught 40 somewhere here or here. I have taken the buy position, and these are the 0.01 are the expert advisor trades because I am testing it. Okay, 0.20 you can see $22 on it, and the 0.05 2.86, so the loss was very easily recovered. Okay, so this is the indicator that tells you when to stay out and when to enter into the market. So I'm going to take you towards the other picture so that you can see. Okay, now look at here, the dots are very straight. It means that there is no need to take a trade here. Okay, even if you look at the random signals means that the market is into the ranging side, it's going nowhere. So we have to see some good volatile things, like if you look at on Bitcoin 4-hour, mostly I'm using it on 4-hour chart, and for the scalping I use the 15-minute chart on this indicator. So you can see that on the sell signal on the Bitcoin 4-hour, now it's down. Okay, so it's not much ranging. Overall the markets are a bit slow. Look at here on Euro USD 4-hour, the market is going down. That's perfectly fine, but overall if you look at the previous data, then it's not a very good volatile pair. Now look at here, I'm having a buy signal on USD 4-hour. That's fine to trade, you can trade it. Look, random signals, no trade. And USD CAD, that's fine, little bit fine. Overall we do not have seen a good momentum into the market today. So what is called a good momentum? Now look at here on USD JPY 4-hour, we had a sell signal, the market was drastically down, and then we have received a buy signal. This is the continuation of the trend. Now the green dots will tell you that the market is still into the trend. So in between these green dots, if you want to take a buy position, you can. If you want, if you find a good opportunity, then you can do it, and you can see still it's moving up. Okay, and within the downward trend you can take the sell position at every high. Like for example, this candle was again pumped up, you sell here, again it was down. Overall you can also sell it here. Just make sure that the market should not be range. Look at here, the dots were very straight. It means that this is not a good time to trade. So the dots should be trending into the one direction. That's what I'm telling my subscribers. They need to be very careful, because if you look at the data on most of the pairs, then you can completely see the markets are not very much trending. Now AUD NZ, that's fine. So guys, this indicator sends you the notifications on your mobile phone. I have set up it as per my options. If you go to tool options, if you write the meta code ID here from your mobile phone, settings of MetaTrader 4, then press OK. It will be sending the signals on your phone. So it's very easy to trade. Nowadays I'm not in front of my screen because I'm having a very busy routine. Now look at here, sometimes you will be able to catch very long rides, like on 4-hour Great Britain pound CAD. You can see a very strong buy signal. The market is still into the bullish direction, but overall I agree that the price has already moved so much high. So this is not a good time to enter, because it was the good time here in the, even because it was going up. So you can take swing trading. I mean, if you just take a trade with 0.01 lot size, then you can believe that how much profit you are getting from a single trade. So this is the quality of this indicator, that it keeps you highlight with a trend. Now look at here on Great Britain Pound CHF. Buy was advised, the market already went up, and now look at the dots are getting straight, so it means that there is no need to trade that pair at that time. Coming back to gold 15 minute, you can see the last signal is sell, the market is still into the downward direction. That is completely fine, but if you want to trade gold, then the 8 hours from the London session are very good to trade, because before that the market is not in a very good manner. So guys, we have the expert advisor, that is no martingale. You can watch my previous videos that will tell you about the no martingale expert advisor, and this is our indicator that is telling you that how to deal with the market. Look, buy and sell signals, that's very simple. Look, if you get a buy signal, then simply take a buy and do scalping on the 15 minute. Otherwise you can go to the 1 hour. Like on the 1 hour we have a buy signal, here we have a buy signal, here we have a sell signal. So this indicator is very perfect and it does not repaint in any case. So guys, if you want to book the copy of this indicator, if you want to get the expert advisor that you can see in my previous videos, if you want to book your coaching session with me, because I have a special package for the coaching session with these indicators and expert advisors as well. So if you want to book your coaching sessions and anything, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the details are provided in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.